The entry-level sport bike class in the US is already an absolute bloodbath. And now, Benelli is officially throwing a brand new challenger into the ring. According to a new report from RideApart, the Benelli Tornado 550 is finally hitting American shores. And if the specs are anything to go by, Kawasaki and CFMoto might actually need to pay attention. Let's break down exactly what we are looking at. We all know the formula by now. Legendary Italian heritage on the badge, but entirely funded, engineered, and built by QJ Motor in China. But honestly, the hardware they are bringing to the US market is no joke. Underneath the fairings, you get a liquid-cooled 554 cubic centimeters DOHC parallel twin engine. RideApart confirms this thing is pushing out 61 horsepower at 8,250 revolutions per minute and 40 pound-feet of torque. That completely outguns the Kawasaki Ninja 500 and the CFMoto 450SS on paper. You're also getting inverted front forks, dual front disc brakes, and a modern TFT display that actually looks like it belongs in 2026. It has the aggressive, sharp Italian styling, but the real deciding factor here is the price. So what's the damage? RideApart reports that Benelli is bringing the Tornado 550 in with a starting price of just $5,999. In a market where riders are counting every single dollar, that price point is incredibly aggressive for a 60-plus horsepower machine. But here is the real question for the US market. Is a cool Italian name and a solid spec sheet enough to pull riders away from the proven reliability of Kawasaki or the insane value of CFMoto? It's going to be an uphill battle, but one thing is certain: budget sport bikes have never been this powerful. We'll see how it actually handles once it hits the canyons. Stay fast, stay freaky. This is Moto Freak, signing off. See you on the road.